Imagine your home security in crystal clear 4K detail, every face, every movement, captured with perfect precision. But did you know most security cameras today still lag behind in image quality and smart features? Choosing the right 4K camera can make all the difference in protecting what matters most. If you want peace of mind and the sharpest footage possible, you've come to the right spot. Stick around because we're diving into the top 5 best 4K security cameras of 2026, packed with features you won't want to miss. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Started with our number 5 pick, the Ring Outdoor Cam Pro. This camera is all about bringing pro-level security to your home with a sleek, weather-resistant build that works indoors or outdoors. Perfect if you want portability plus durability. Its Retinal 4K video delivers true 3840 by 2160 resolution, giving you ultra-sharp detail whether you're watching a driveway or gate. With up to 10 times enhanced zoom, you can zoom in on distant activity yet still keep faces or license plates clear. Day or night, it holds up. Thanks to its low-light sight and adaptive night vision, even near-dark environments get impressive, full-color clarity. You won't miss what's happening after sunset. Motion detection is handled by radar-powered 3D motion detection and customizable motion zones, which helps reduce false alarms. No more triggering alerts from stray animals or passing cars. For storage, the camera supports live view and notifications via the free app, and if you add the optional plan, you can save footage in the cloud. It also integrates neatly with voice assistance. You can get alerts and even view live feed from an Alexa device. All things considered, its balance of design, superb 4K quality, smart detection, adaptability, and integration makes it a solid choice for someone who wants set it and forget it style outdoor security, especially if you're already in the Ring/Amazon ecosystem. Coming up next with our number 4 pick, the Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera. First off, its design and portability make it a breeze to install, fully wireless, battery-powered, and weather-resistant, so you can mount it indoors or outdoors without messy wiring. In terms of day and night video quality, Ultra 2 shines, delivering crisp 4K HDR video with an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, and color night vision plus an integrated spotlight that illuminates dark areas with clarity. Motion detection is sharp, with real-time alerts sent to your phone whenever movement or sound is detected. For local storage, you get the option to record footage on microSD via the accompanying Smart Hub, which gives you a subscription-free way to store alerts locally. Versatility is a big plus. Whether you want to monitor your front door, driveway, backyard, or even indoors, this camera adapts smoothly. On the advanced features front, you get two-way audio to talk through the camera, a built-in siren for deterrence, and a wide 12 by digital zoom that helps you zoom in on faces or license plates without excessive pixelation. The accompanying app supports live streaming, notifications, and smart home integration with platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. Overall performance, solid and reliable. It's one of the few truly wireless 4K systems with an ultra-wide field of view and excellent night vision, making it ideal for complete home security coverage. Coming in at number 3. The REOLINK Elite Floodlight Wi-Fi, a wired 4K floodlight camera that's basically a security powerhouse in one sleek unit. It's built for outdoor mounting, think garage, driveway, or front porch, where it replaces an old floodlight and gives you a massive 180-degree ultra-wide view, stitched from dual lenses into one seamless 4K panorama. That wide angle means fewer blind spots and one camera covering what might have taken 2. By day, the 4K sensor captures crisp details like faces and license plates, and at night, it switches to infrared for clear black and white footage up to 40 meters, or uses its powerful 3,000 lumen floodlights for full-color night vision. Motion detection is smart, with AI that tags people, vehicles, and animals, plus advanced alerts like line crossing and zone loitering so you only get notified about what matters. Storage is flexible and subscription-free. Pop in a microSD card up to 512 gigabytes for local recording, or connect it to a REOLINK NVR for 24/7 coverage. The camera is hardwired, AC 100 to 240 volts, so it runs 24/7 without battery swaps, and it's IP66 rated to handle rain, snow, and extreme temps. What really sets it apart is how it ties everything together. The REOLINK app gives you live view, playback, and AI video search. Just type red truck or man in black shirt to find relevant clips. It supports Wi-Fi 6 on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for a stable, high bitrate stream, and Bluetooth setup makes pairing quick and easy. You also get two-way audio, a 105 decibel siren, and voice control via Google Assistant for hands-free monitoring. If you want a bright, wide-view 4K floodlight camera with no monthly fees, local storage, and smart alerts, the Elite Floodlight Wi-Fi is a top-tier choice for 2026. Let's jump right in with our runner-up, the EufyCam S3 Pro, a 4K solar-powered wireless camera that instantly raises the bar on home security. Its design is both robust and portable. The camera body is compact enough for easy wall or eave mounting, yet rugged and weather-resistant for outdoors. When it comes to video, EufyCam S3 Pro delivers crystal-clear 4K UHD footage by day, and thanks to its Max Color Vision system, surprisingly rich full-color video even at night. A 135-degree field-of-view lens f1.0 captures wide areas, and with adaptive spotlights plus infrared night vision, you'll get reliable detail no matter the light level. Motion detection on this camera is smart and precise. A dual sensor setup, radar plus PIR, minimizes false alarms and triggers recording only when there's meaningful motion. What's more, you don't need a subscription. Footage is stored locally thanks to the built-in 16GB eMMC, and you can expand storage via external drives if needed, giving you privacy and flexibility. As for versatility, the camera is solar-powered with Solar Plus 2.0, meaning minimal maintenance and long-term reliability. Just a bit of sunlight per day keeps it charged. Connectivity is straightforward via Wi-Fi and the companion app, which offers real-time alerts, live view, and playback, perfect for checking on things while away. In real-world performance, users praise its day-night clarity, easy installation, dependable motion detection, and the fact there's no fee for storage. Overall, EufyCam S3 Pro is a top-tier, subscription-free, 4K security camera that combines flexibility, reliability, and gorgeous video. A strong choice if you want peace of mind without ongoing costs. Meet the Tapo C660 KIT, our top pick for 2026. This solar-powered pan-tilt 4K camera combines portability and power in a sleek design. No wires, just mount and go. With true 4K, 3840 by 2160 8-megapixel resolution and up to 18 times digital zoom. The video quality is razor sharp. Fine details like license plate numbers or package labels become readable. In daylight, it's super clear. At night, Starlight Color Night Vision plus built-in spotlights deliver vivid imagery and ensure you don't lose clarity when darkness drops. Motion detection is smart. The camera tracks people, pets, or vehicles with 360-degree coverage and triggers alerts when something moves. Perfect for doorways or driveways. You get flexible storage. A micro SD slot supports up to 512 gigabytes, around 16 days of 4K recording. So you don't need to pay for cloud, but if you prefer, there's optional cloud backup. What makes it versatile is the combo of solar power, so you're not chained to an outlet, weatherproof IP65 housing, and two-way audio so you can warn off intruders or talk to visitors. Thanks to its app, you can view live feed, review playback, control motion zones, even set patrol routes, all seamlessly. In real-world tests, the C660 delivers smooth, dependable performance day and night, making it a robust and reliable outdoor security solution. Its balance of high-end features, ease of install, and local storage flexibility make it our #1 4K security camera for 2026. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 picks for the best 4K security cameras in 2026. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy ending.